Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to select object in Photoshop 2025 and we are using version 26. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So when we hover on image, now you see object selected, and when we click on it, then you see object selected, but we are going to select multiple object. Now deselect. So by using this method, we are going to select object one by one, but we are going to select multiple subject. Now you see windows and then you see contextual text bar. So click on it. So when we click on it, now you see select subject and remove background. Now click on select subject. So this button select all object in the image auto. Now you see 3 objects selected by using this feature in Photoshop 2025. So in this way you can select object in image in Photoshop by using select object. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.